Khaled was
I
unreal.
can't love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There's so much space between us. Baby, we're already defeated. Something that I can't live
I stand steady on business and everything that I've done. I can't imagine my diva not being a prodigal son. I left for money with vision and now I'm back as a young.